Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have this video for you wherein I will be sharing how to curl your hair with the help of an hair straightener. I know I had one long time ago on my channel, but I think I needed an updated one, so here I am. And the straightening iron I will be using is from the company called Dovell. They send in the product over to me to review it. I have the whole review on this product on my channel. Please go ahead and check it out. I am in love with this product, and I reason why I love it, all the reason and all the information is in that video, so please check that out for sure. And the best part I like about this particular iron is that it has 4 different settings and it can heat up to 410 degrees in no second. So that's really good. And when there are days when I really want my curls to stay for a longer period of time, I always use 410 degrees, and my curls stay for at least, it lasts for weeks. So I'm really happy. And the next product is F450. I have the review on this product as well. Please check the description box. I will link it on the screen as well. And this is a heat protector plus a heat activator. It is really helpful to straighten your hair. If you're curling your hair, this is something which is going to enhance the beauty and the quality of your curls. So I am in love with these 2 products. Please check the video out for sure, and let's go ahead and get started with curling our hair with the help of hair straightener. So guys, let's get started. I am going to section my hair into parts. From one side I am going to take one in section. I'm going to comb it through so that there are no knots, and then I am going to take my hair straightener and go over one or couple of times to make sure that the hair is straight so that we can have sharp clean curls. And this will also help me to improve the quality of that section so that when we are curling, we have nice and clean curls. Now I will place my straightener next, very close to the scalp, and going over on the upper plate, I'm gonna roll my hair section just like this. And once I'm done with that, I am going to roll my other hand and I'm gonna completely roll the hair straightener. In a way, the section tail should come in between of the 2 plates of the straightening iron, something like this. And now slowly and gently slide the straightening iron towards downward direction. As you can see, it's really important, just take time so that heat can evenly distribute the entire section, and once you are done, you will have curls something like this. And why I love this straightening iron is because the plates are non-sticky, and when you're curling with this hair straightener and when you're gliding, basically you don't feel that kind of bumpiness and stickiness which I used to feel when I used to curl my hair with other straightening irons. That when I'm sliding those irons, I feel a lot of bumpiness and stickiness, and it was really hard after rotating the straightener to the hair section and gliding it. It was not so smooth. However, this one, the plates are really smooth. These are 100% ceramic and they don't stick to your hair, and hence you don't get any bumpiness in your curls, and these are like nice and so smooth and soft and cleared curls you're getting, as you can see. Also, I am rotating my straightening iron in the upward direction so that I can have the backward curls, if you know what I mean. I'm gonna show you once I'm done. So this is how your curls are gonna look once you're done with the entire one side. As you can see how beautiful they are looking. It was so easy. And now let's do the other side. I will be back in a quick second. Thank you so much, technology, for fast forwarding it and editing. And voila, you are done. Can you see, guys, how gorgeous this hairstyle is looking? I am in love with this, with my curls, and these are like just perfect last moment kind of a hairstyle. If you have to go for a night out, for a party or something, you can always get the perfect curls at home. And And yes, thanks to the Well for sending me in their product. I am in love with the straightener. I would want you guys, if you guys looking for a fantastic, if you're looking for a super amazing gliding sliding hair straightener, I would say give it a chance. You would fall in love with this product. And having said that, thank you so much guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Until we meet next, it's me, Savvy, signing out. Saying bye and ciao. I love you all. Thank you so much for watching.